How to clean a fabric Coach purse. Coach purses are a prized possession for many, so it can be frustrating when the fabric gets soiled. If your purse has lost its luster, then you may want to clean it. While you can't put your Coach handbag in the washing machine, there are a few techniques for getting it clean. With a little time and a few supplies, you can have a clean purse in no time. In this video, discover the best methods to clean your fabric Coach purse effortlessly. Keep watching step-by-step instructions and effective techniques for safely removing stains and maintaining the pristine condition of your beloved fabric purse. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to doing a light cleaning, doing a deep cleaning, and using Coach brand cleaning solution on stains. Now let's get started. Method 1. Doing a light cleaning. Number 1. Dampen a sponge with clean water. You can use a bowl of water or hold the sponge under your faucet. Wring it out well to avoid oversaturating the fabric. Using a faucet works better if your purse is soiled because you can more easily rinse the sponge without making your water dirty. Number 2. Start at one corner of your handbag. Choose a corner on one side to start the cleaning process. You want to make sure that you cover the entire surface of the handbag, so work your way out from the corner. You will do each side individually, followed by the handle and the bottom. You should do the bottom of the purse last because it encounters the most grime. Number 3. Dab the fabric with your sponge. Work your way across the fabric, making circular movements as you apply the water. Don't linger on one spot. Keep your sponge moving so that you don't create water spots. Don't get your sponge too wet because you don't want to apply too much water. Number 4. Use a dry white cloth to dab away the wetness. Remove any excess water by toweling off your bag. You don't want your purse to develop any musty smells. Number 5. Hang up your bag so it can air dry. Place your bag in an area that allows for air to circulate around the bag, such as an open room with a fan. Allow your bag to fully dry before using it again. Don't hang up your bag in a closed area like a closet. Avoid placing your bag in a humid area because it could cause it to develop a musty smell. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Doing a deep cleaning. Number 1. Apply a mild cleanser to your damp sponge. After you wet your sponge as you would to do a light cleaning, add a mild cleanser. You can try a detergent for delicates, but a baby wash will also work. Don't use regular soaps and detergents because they can damage your bag. You should use a mild cleanser only. Number 2. Dab your purse with the sponge. Start in one corner and work your way around the first side of your purse. Make gentle circular motions as you move across the fabric. Avoid scrubbing too hard because you may damage the fabric or grind in the dirt. When applying a cleanser, work in smaller sections to avoid having the cleanser dry on the bag. For example, you could clean one side following the entire process, and then repeat the steps for the next side. Number 3. Remove the excess soap. Use a damp white cloth to blot away the cleanser. You should not leave any soap on the surface of your bag, as it could damage the fabric. Number 4. Look over the bag for remaining stains. Make sure that you don't have any grime or stains left on your bag by thoroughly checking it. If you do have remaining spots, use your cloth to apply more cleanser. If you have an extra clean cloth, use that to treat the difficult stains. Dampen the cloth and add cleanser. Dab the cleanser directly onto the stains. Remove the soap with a damp cloth. You may need to use Coach's official signature C fabric cleaner to remove tough stains. Number 5. Towel away the wetness. Use a clean, dry cloth to remove most of the moisture from the bag. Your bag should be damp but not wet when you're finished. Number 6. Allow your bag to air dry. Choose a well-ventilated area so that your bag does not acquire a musty smell. Hang up your bag while it dries, and wait until it is fully dry before using it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using Coach brand cleaning solution on stains. Number 1. Purchase Coach's signature C fabric cleaner. Coach offers a special formula for cleaning its fabric products. If you're worried about your purse, then you may feel comfortable using their official product. You can purchase the signature C fabric cleaner online through Coach or Amazon, or you can purchase it from a retailer that sells Coach handbags. Number 2. Wet a clean white cloth with a fabric cleaner. Use a white cloth to avoid accidentally staining your fabric. Your cloth should be damp but not soaked. Use the product sparingly. If you apply too much, it can create water rings on your handbag. Number 3. Rub the cleaner on the stained area. Make circular movements as you apply the cleaner. If you are treating more than one spot, repeat the entire process for each spot. Don't apply cleaning product to more than one spot at once because it will dry on the fabric. You should just spot clean your purse. Number 4. Use a damp clean white cloth to remove the product. Blot away the cleaner until none remains on the bag. If your cloth becomes soapy, rinse it off in clean water so that the soap does not get back onto the bag. Continue to dab the fabric until the soap is gone. Number 5. Allow your purse to air dry. Hang your purse in a well-ventilated area so that the air can circulate around the wet spots. Make sure that your purse is completely dry before you use it again. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Test your cleaning methods on an out-of-the-way spot before cleaning the whole bag. 2. Use lint-free sponges and cloths. 3. Be careful not to overly saturate spots because it can create a water ring. 4. Keep your bag in pristine condition by using the leather conditioner regularly. Warnings. 1. Never machine wash a Coach purse. 2. Don't scrub your bag because it can harm the texture of your bag. 3. Always avoid acetone-containing products. If you don't, your purse will be ruined. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.